Hello, welcome. Hope you're doing good. I'm Clement Onyoli. Today we are going to see how to fill in Triage. The Triage carries the vital information of the client. So first of all, I hope you are near the EMR system. Go to enter your username and password. After that, you log in. Okay, this is the facility dashboard. Now you go to home. So at this point, I believe you have registered your client, or maybe you have the existing client. For this tutorial, we shall use the existing client. So you go to registration. Now we search for our client. If you are not aware or you don't know how to search for client, we have a video specifically tackles how you can search or find a client. Now to find a client, just click on find or create a patient. It will load. I will select all. Then my client is called Atieno. Then I press enter. We have Mercy Atieno Nyango. This is my client. I click on the client. The next part, you see our client is not logged in. We have to check the patient in. Now let us check the patient in. Now you enter the date. Enter the date. Let us enter the date. The date. Now you check in the client. Now the client, we have checked in our client. Now these forms should be filled. Now for today, for this tutorial, I'm going to talk about the triage. So let me click on triage. Okay, triage, mostly it can be filled by the receptionist, and this depends on the arrangement of the facility. It can be HTS or clinician, depending on the setup of the hospital or the clinic. Now, let us start. We have selected, this is the date. We want to see the date. Make sure it tallies with what is here. So I will change it. You can change this one. Change this one to 12. Like 2023. Okay. Now reason for visit, maybe we can say for HTS. services, HTS services. Next temperature, we take 34.8. Now this pulse rate, if you know how to calculate them, or you are using the BMI, you are using the BP machine, you can use it. So let us put the vitals here. Okay. For this existing client, you'll see that the last date visit, we have some vitals remaining. So let us put there 72. This is just an example, but you'll use the real data when your client comes in. Then the LMP, that is for female. Then we use MUSC here. Mark if the patient is expectant. Now, for pregnancy screening, you read this question and you answer them here. Like for example, have you abstained from sexual intercourse from your last menstrual period or delivery? You will say no. Did your last menstrual period start within the past 7 days? Say no. Are you on FP method? Maybe you are using FP methods, that is the injectables, the implants. Maybe you let us select yes. Have you had a miscarriage in the past 7 days? Is no. Then, have you had a baby in the last 4 weeks? We'll say no. Then, did you refer the client for a pregnancy test? That is no. Then you can write notes here. Notes are helpful for follow-up. You can say referred for HTS. Okay, that is it. We have done triage. So this is the part we have done triage. When we come back, we shall see how to do the HTS eligibility form, so that we screen our client and see if our client is eligible to receive an HIV test. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share the tutorial so that many people can get access to it and get to learn a lot about Kenya EMR. Thank you.